we're in. Gonna go see the goblins. Some other cool things here too. So just take a day and go see what's around Goblin State Park. So there's a sign here, and Valley of the Goblins is left. Campground yurts to the right, bike trails straight, and amphitheater to the right. So there's a few goblins. Alright, we got our stuff. We're gonna go walk through the field of goblins. Staircase here.
No. And go get some.
So this is called the Goblin's Lair Trail. It's 3 miles. Moderate to strenuous difficulty. Hike involves steep slopes, hands-on rock scrambling, where it's not recommended for dogs. Alright, guess we're not doing that one. We're not doing that one because you can't climb. You're not a scrambler. We'll go down into there.
When we got hot, we walked down in the wash for their shade, then we jumped back in.
So we're gonna go down here. Some people just came up with a dog, so this must be dog friendly area. The other one over there is not for dogs because there's some rock scrambling, it says. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go down here. There you go. Let him off the leash in a bit because it's kind of a pain in the ass. Holding on to him, holding on to water, holding on to cameras. So I heard those ladies say that there's a wash down here that they use to cool off, so it'll be cool. Here we are, Goblin Valley with the dog. It's cool. It's almost like Disneyland. So this apparently was an inland sea, and after erosion and the water disappeared, this is what's left, all these hoodoos. It's kind of a cool, it's not very big, this Hoodoo Valley here, but it's kind of cool. There's one right here. It's just all by itself. So you can go anywhere you want. There's just trails everywhere. Watch out for the cracks. Lots of shady places to cool off. It's like a little walkway right through here. Let's go through here. Oh, let's go this way, Charlie. This is definitely a good time to come here because it's the sun's out. It's not warm. But when you're walking around any warmer, and you would start sweating or be uncomfortable. Right now is absolutely perfect. I just have a light t-shirt on, so a little bit of hiking. I don't know, to check out the elevation, see what elevation we're at. Oh, that's cool. It looks like a mushroom. Looks like something out of a cartoon movie. Let Charlie off the leash. It's a great place to go play hide and seek. There he is. Charlie dog! Come in here. Go in there. There he is. There he is. Alright, I'm going to set up my drone in this little playground right here. Kind of cool. Alright. The water set up there. I set up my camera. Drink. There you go. This is for me. Shots here. Jump. This. You couldn't create a more fun playground. It's just so cool. There's a little path. This is like a kid's dream place. So if you have a kid, come visit Goblin State Park because it's awesome. Kids will have a blast here. This would be a great place to play paintball games. So many little nooks and crannies to hide in. Those little caves too. Yeah, this would make the best place for a major hide and seek game. It's just like never ending, and then there's caves over there. Wow. It's like Mars. It's like we're on Mars. Wow, there's like a wall. I thought that was the edge of the canyon, but it's not. It just keeps going and going. Over here, there's more trails that go way up into the side of the cliff. Wow. So cool. I found this cool little cave on the side of the mountain here. I'll show you from outside. This little cave. Cool, huh? Nice and cool in here. You can see the whole park practically. Come on, Charlie. Hey, come up here. Lay down. You want a drink? You want a drink? Here's the view from our cave. Charlie dog taking a little bit of a rest. Took a little fly around the goblins, which is kind of cool. I think I scared some people, but oh well. This would be great for drone races too. Have those little FPV drones or the racing drones. This would be amazing for that. It's just got so many possibilities. So there's the parking lot over there, and then there's just a walk area down here. It's not very far. I would not suggest coming here in the summer or when it's hotter because there's no wind, because it's kind of in a valley. So right now it's perfect, March. So if you're going to come to Goblin Valley, that's probably early spring and late fall to see the little goblin guys. And bring your dog. Very dog friendly, drone friendly. It's a state park. So we are off to Moab. This was just kind of a little pit stop. It's right along the way. I didn't know it was so far off the highway. It's like 10 mile drive off the highway. So let's go up a different way. Let's go up the stairs this time. So yeah, 10 miles off the highway, and then it's $20 to get in, state park. And there's a bunch of campgrounds and trails you can take if you have a four-wheel drive or an ATV or something, or quad. So there's lots of things to do. You could come and hang out here for a few days and find lots to do. So we are off out of here. Bye, Goblin Valley. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, we are done with Goblin Valley. That was fun. Giant playground. And here's the road out. So I ran into these kids and they said Wild Horse Slot Canyon is just over here. It's a bit of a hike, he said, but it is one of the best slot canyons in Utah. So it's called Wild Horse, and it's within Goblin Valley State Park. So we're not going to do it today. I'm all hiked out right now after Cosmic Ashtray and Peekaboo and just all kinds of things. Bentonite Hills, and yeah, I'm gonna give my legs a rest. They got a good workout. So we are out. Thanks for watching Goblin Valley.